Thank you for viewing Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at an Ooya 4-foot by 12 and 3/8 inch radial arm drill press. This is an excellent machine. It's new in 1975. However, the condition is just great. This is the type of machine that you can buy without taking a look at, ship anywhere, put under power and use for years of service. We're going to run this machine for you in all aspects and give you a good overview of the machine tool. So what is so nice about this drill is that the head of this drill and the face plates are so perfectly legible and clear, and that every button and bezel and dial are in such great shape. The ways on the arm are in nice shape. Not perfect. The column is really super nice. I would say a shade off of just excellent. There is no scoring on the face at all. 100% smooth. The elevation operates just as it should and clamps perfectly, and the drill is just in excellent shape. Can barely hear it. There's virtually no ambient noise in this building, and upon powering this drill up, you'll find that everything about this drill is very quiet. The spindle runs excellently, and everything functions properly. The work light is on. So I want to get a brief shot of how the electrical panel has been preserved for its lifetime, and then how it actually appears. And it's all original, and it's just in impeccable condition, and it really shows the nature of this machine. It's just in tidy condition. So there's the back of the weight for the counterweight for the spindle, and again showing excellent care and condition. So we're supplying a very nice box table with the drill. It's 30-inch by 24-inch by 18-inch, T-slotted, heavy duty. Covers virtually the majority of the base of this drill, and good condition. This Japanese drill is a investment piece that you can purchase sight unseen and bring into your facility, be proud of, and get what you pay for. Thank you for viewing Machinery Video, and as always, you can visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com and view our new additions and our featured machines.